Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off flashlight on Redmi A5. So to turn off the flashlight, you have just to swipe down from the top of the screen, and after that swipe down again to see the full menu here. And as you can see, we have the option of the flashlight, and if the option of flashlight is blue like this in the dark mode or black in the day mode or normal mode or light mode, you have just to click on it and the flashlight will be turned off. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.